Odoo 19.3 is here, with major updates like AI agents that can create and update records for you, direct bill payments from accounting, live technician tracking and planning, and a more powerful website and e-commerce experience. Let's take a look at the most important new features in Odoo 19.3. Let's start with AI, where you can now ask an agent to create anything for you in Odoo. The agent clearly explains the changes it's about to make, and one click later, everything is set up in your database. And AI agents can also update your existing records. Instead of editing fields manually, describe the changes you want. The AI understands the context of the current view and applies the changes instantly once you confirm. And this works for images as well. Just describe the visual you want, and Odoo generates a polished lifestyle image. And building a website is easier than ever. Simply describe the page you want, and the AI website assistant creates it for you using your existing Odoo content and products. Layouts, text, images, featured products, everything is generated automatically. And you can also create entirely new website snippets just by describing them. From custom product experiences to dynamic shopping flows, your website becomes fully editable through conversation. Let's go to accounting. Instead of exporting payment files and uploading them to your banking portal manually, you can now connect directly to your bank and initiate payments from Odoo. And asset depreciation models now support decimal durations as well as percentage-based rates, making it easier to match country-specific accounting rules and long-term depreciation schedules. Let's go to website. If you misspell a search term, Odoo's fuzzy search algorithm still finds what your visitors are looking for. And results are neatly grouped by category with cleaner layouts. Need to announce a promotion, holiday, or important update? You can now add a banner directly above your website header and fully customize its text and colors. And you can edit buttons or link styles directly from the block using the new shortcut icon. You can now position text on cover images by simply drag and dropping it. Add visually engaging lists with the new icon list snippet. And use a shortcut to select only the content inside a column rather than the entire block. Let's go to e-commerce, where you can now handle stock quantities, availability messages, lead times, and continue selling rules without requiring the inventory app. Boost sales by automatically generating accessories, optional, and alternative products. Define when review request emails should be sent after an order confirmation, and let Odoo handle the follow-up for you. Ribbons, comparison prices, and secondary product images can all appear directly inside the product snippets. And instead of displaying simple attribute values, Odoo can show variant thumbnails directly from the product images. New progress bars in the cart and checkout clearly show how close customers are to benefits like free shipping, and customers can now choose their preferred delivery date directly during checkout. Let's move to planning. Managers can now track technicians' locations live on a map alongside their current and upcoming interventions. This makes it easier to coordinate field operations and instantly see where teams are throughout the day. And assign materials to employees. When the employee is assigned to a shift, their assigned material is automatically added to the shift's resources. Manufacturing orders now feature a redesigned Kanban view. Orders are grouped by scheduled week and display remaining time, component availability, and active production status. And replacing manufacturing components is now much faster. From the Used In Smart button, access all related bill of materials lines at once and update components across multiple BOMs in a single action. Let's head over to sales. Quotation sections can now be saved as templates, making it easy to reuse complete product groups in future quotations while keeping your documents consistent. And product images can be displayed directly on sales orders and automatically included in the generated PDF documents. Now for point of sale. Simply drag and drop products directly from the POS interface to arrange them exactly the way you want. Product labels can now display reference prices automatically, helping customers compare prices per unit, such as per liter or kilogram. And printer paper sizes can be configured to ensure receipts are formatted correctly. In Payroll, HR users can calculate a salary package directly from a target net amount to better estimate employee compensation costs. And for easier updating, increase employee wages using a percentage directly from the employee form. In Sign, information entered during the signing process can instantly synchronize with the corresponding fields across your database. And you can create custom sign fields directly from the template editor to adapt documents to your company's specific needs. In Spreadsheets, you can define minimum and maximum values for chart axes to make your data easier to read. And from the Data menu, you can access the new Statistics panel and analyze your spreadsheet faster. Over to the Calendar app, where events can now be linked to records across Odoo, making it easier to connect appointments with the right documents. And pending activities are now visible directly from the Calendar view, making it easier to track upcoming tasks. When adding an all-day event, Calendar automatically detects times written in the title and place the meeting at the correct hour. Let's continue with Documents. You can now create user groups to manage document and workspace access rights more efficiently. Instead of assigning permissions user by user, simply create a group once and share folders with the entire team in just a few clicks. In Dashboards, when a chart is set to display worldwide data, users can instantly switch to a specific region. And frozen share links are now easier to manage with the dedicated menu. This makes it much simpler to rename and maintain shared dashboard views. Molly, RedSys, and ACH payments can now securely save payment methods for faster future checkouts and subscription flows. And Stripe now supports additional local payment methods, including Alma for installment payments and Swish for Swedish customers. Wero is now available with both Buckaroo and Worldline, bringing support for one of Europe's newest digital payment solutions. Rental products can now be added to a sales order. Doing so automatically adds a rental period field. And that's just a glimpse of what's new in Odoo 19.3. There's a lot more to explore, so be sure to check out the full release notes to see everything in detail. And as always, give 19.3 a try and see how Odoo can make your workday easier.